I'll be describing about how to divide and multiply this snake plant and putting them in different planters. One of the permanent plants, one of the beginner gardeners plant. Once you have one plant, you can multiply them easily by dividing. So if you are a beginner gardener, these plants are for you. These are really very low maintenance and permanent. Snake plant. So I will be doing a small DIY planter as well. So I'm going to divide these plants and multiply them and put them in a new planter. So stay tuned. Let me to give you a small brief about this plant. This plant is an air purification plant. You can keep this plant indoors where it gets a filtered sunlight. Do not keep it in a bright sunlight area. And also if you are a beginner gardener, this is one of the best plants for you because this plant doesn't need regular watering. You can water them when the top layer of the soil is dried out. This is one of the best plant for beginner planters as a permanent plant. So let's see how I'm going to divide this plant. Now as you can see, there are many pups coming out from the mother plant. This is the mother plant. So there are many pups. Here is one and here is another one. So I'm going to divide them. So let's see how I do that. First thing is dig around the plant and take away the soil around the baby pups. So it will be really very easy for you to divide them. So first thing is to remove and dig around the main plant and remove the unwanted soil. Snake plant needs the well draining soil. So as you can see, when you dig around the plant, you can easily remove the baby plants. And here there are two and here's another one. So I got 3 plants out of one mother plant. So now I'm going to put these plants to small pots. So one of my planters are these, one of the used coffee mugs, old coffee mugs. So I'm going to put one plant in that. One of my coffee mug planters are ready. I have put some garden soil, some cocoa peat and also some river sand. So now my mixture is ready. I'm going to put one plant in this. So now my coffee mug planters are ready. So the snake plant I have put in these coffee mugs, and now these 2 plants are ready, and now I'm going to put another plant in a plastic bottle planter. So I'm going to cut this plastic bottle into 2 halves and make a plant out of this. Now I have cut this bottle into 2 halves and I'm going to use only the bottom part of it. So let's see how I plant the snake plant on this, and yes, I have made the drainage holes as well. Right. After adding soil into this, now I'm going to put the last plant of snake plant on this. This is actually a leaf. So I'm going to put it, and there are good roots as well. So now I have divided all 3 plants and put them in new planters. So this is the DIY planter. It's a plastic bottle. So this snake plant doesn't need the bright hot sunlight. They prefers the indirect partial sunlight, and also do not overwater this plant. So you can check the soil and water it. And also talking about fertilizer, there's no need of giving any fertilizer for these plants, but once in 3 months you can give some organic fertilizer like tea or coffee, because these plants also ornamental plants and they will grow well in with nitrogen. So give some coffee or tea fertilizer, that will do. And even without fertilizer, these plants are low maintenance, so you don't need to worry about giving much fertilizer for them. So this is how I have made some planters out of one plant. This is the mother plant. And that's it for today. Hope you find this video very useful. If you are new, consider subscribing. Thank you.